let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you ready to rumble? Curriculum Base 2023. I am your presenter, Lennox Bennett. Let's go, guys, let's go, let's go. Are the people in there? In private. Where are the people them? Where are the youths them? We're supposed to be on the thing, man. I don't see nobody. What's happening? Is it private, guys? Let me just check. Oh. Yeah, I'm live. I'm live. We're live, guys. We're live. Let's go. Let's go. We have an exam to pass. Let's shell down this. Hit the like button as you come on, guys. Big up. Carla. Alia. Melissa. Your one and only. My one and only. Jaim. Big up, Jaim Warren. Yeah, man. Ariana Sinclair checking in. Right away, guys. We are going to shell down this from now to 9 o'clock. Everybody depend this. I got pass. Big up, Kerry Ann. Andrea. Big up, Melissa. Everybody. Just go and share it, guys, because we are going to kick it off right away. We're not even an itch. Alright? Take a mark, guys. Take a man. Everybody have a pass. Stop no worry. Everybody have a pass, guys. No need to worry. No need to worry. Mr. Bennett got to know. Mr. Bennett got to know. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. So, guys, we basically are going to do everything, guys. Alright. Want to go on cues? Welcome, everyone. Hello. Oh, yeah, man, YouTube. I just log on. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm live now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just work. We're gonna work. I see nearly 100 people already. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. Welcome, welcome. So, guys, I'm gonna take you through the entire syllabus from now till 9 o'clock. We don't want to stay much later than 9 o'clock. So, let's get ready. Alright? So, the first thing, guys, you're required to do is to do number theory. Alright? Meaning you have to have number sense. So, like, you have to know your prime number, you have to know your composite number. Yeah, Alia, I'm more than that, man. You two only show that. And so when you say 29, I like a whole heap of people. Alright? So, let's get ready, guys. In number one, which is the prime number? Somebody type that in for me, please. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have a lot of work to do. Alright, so I see 2. Big up. That's a Tavoy, you know. Paulette Brown a Tavoy. Big up Tavoy. Alright. Correct, guys. Correct. Correct. Alright. In number 2, which is the prime number? $23. Very good. Very good. Alright. So Mr. Cassie say you guys know your number sense. Alright. So guys, I want you guys know to write this in words. This is how your paper is gonna look. Write this number in words. And this one you're gonna write in numbers. So guys, the first thing about passing an exam, acing an exam, not just passing, you have to know how your exam are going to set up, right? So your exam is going to be like this. Number 1, I'm going to be number theory, alright? Let me check the comment section to see what I go on. So put those guys, put those. Let's go, let's go. You see different answer now, guys. Put in your comma. Put in your comma, guys. Put in your comma. Alright, so I see Melissa Cameron, you are correct. Kimura, you are correct. Suzette Dunbar, you're also correct. Melissa Edwards. Edwards, you're short of 1-0. Millions mean it should be 3. Alright? So let's get the solution for this. So we have 85. So you write it like this. 85,000 351. So I think everyone basically got this one correct. However, for the 3 million, some persons add 6 zeros. Remember, million supposed to be 7 zeros. Alright, and some persons, so it's 3,550,000. Alright guys, we have to get that correct. And remember, it's 550. So we have to fix that, guys. Going into exam, we have to know our numbers. Alright, let's try it again. One more in this one and see if we can get it. In words and see if we can write it. Alright? $100,204. Let's see if we can get that one correct, guys. Jonathan, this is not C-Sec, Jonathan. Joshua Oil, I see your hope, man. Hope. That is correct. Because Paulette, I know it's not Paulette, that's Tavoy. Melissa Cameron, correct. Very good. Alright, guys. I'm feeling happy already, you know, guys. You guys are ready. Alright. So we have 100,000. Guys, you can just visualize it. And even if you write down the wrong number, guys, and you look, you should supposed to read back over the number and say, okay, this is not correct. And it's 204. Alright? So good job, guys. I'm feeling much better. I think you guys are ready for that part of it. Let's go. So what I want you guys to do for me now, you're going to find the prime factorization of these numbers. Remember now, guys, it's a complete revision, so hopefully we can have an idea of where we are, alright? I hope you guys watched my past paper video. Did for 36 and 48. What are the prime? This one came on the last paper, but they asked for some number. Yeah, Jay, as primary school maths, Jay. Then we have exam tomorrow, grade 6. Yeah, man, I don't only cater for high school, you know. So you can support the live by sharing same way. What's the prime factorization of 36 and 48? And guys, I can share it, alright? Yes, it's primary school, primary. We can share it so others can come on and see what them can do. Alright? Joshua said 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. Somebody said 6 squared for 36. Tavoy said 2 times, yeah. Pauletta said 2 times. Alright. So guys, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is finding the product of a composite number. So as I say, you have to have number sense. That's what they call it. Alright? So what it is, you must know how to operate numbers. Like the different types of numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. We have to know all of those. Alright? So what we do, let me just start it off. It's very easy. We need the product to be only prime numbers, right? So what we can do, we can say 6 times 6 first. But guess what? 6 is not a prime number. So we break it down further. Alright, someone had put 6 squared. That would have been incorrect because it's the product of 36, but it should be only prime numbers. So whenever we get a composite number, we just continue. So this now would be 2 times 3. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. 3 a prime number? Yes. And then now we bring them together so we can say 2 times 2, just to make it look neat and clean. This was on the last paper. I think, I'm not sure if it was 2022 or 2019, but it came and they asked which number would be in the prime factorization, alright? So even if they don't ask you to work it out like this, they might ask you something about it. For 68, we could have said 6 times 8, because that's 48. 6 is not a prime number, so we can break it down to 2 times 3. Similarly, 8 is not a prime number, we can break it down 2 times 4. 4 is not a prime number, so we can break it down, right? And then we carry the rest. And then we can see how many 2's we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say 2 to the 4 times 3. Or you can write it out. 2 times 2 times 2. Let me just write it out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And guys, you can always check to see if you get the product. So 2 2's 4, 2 4's 8, 2, yeah. Alright? 3 times 16. And so on. Alright? Omika Gabi, big up, big up. Everybody. No prep students we have in a guys, and I don't know anything. If you're in a grade 5, you need to sign up. So when June come. One more prime factorization, guys, because we will do a complete revision. Do it for 60. Let me see if there's any improvement. Yeah, Tanya Williams, June. Somebody said Pep did hard. No man, Pep not done yet. We can't go harder, man. We can't go hard. No matter how hard Pep go, we can't go harder. We just have to keep improving. Functions and relation, I'm gonna do that CSEC. I'm gonna do them, man. Don't worry yourself. Right now I'm running off the marathons. Survive. Vickers, that's correct. Joshua, that's correct also. And guys, remember, 1 is not a prime number. It's a universal number. So, okay, somebody said it never hard for him. Kimura said 2 squared times 5 times 3. Paulette Brown said 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is the same thing. Very good. Let's go, let's go. Guys, if you don't know this, try learn it now, alright? Just in case they decide to bring it. So we're going to split it. We're going to do 6 times 10. It doesn't matter which way you do it, you know. As long as it's 2 numbers and it's not 1 times 60, they can keep breaking it down. This one we're going to split to 2 times 3. 10 is not a prime number, so we're going to split it. So it's going to be 2 times 5. Alright, so it's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. As some of the girls write it, 2 squared times 3 times 5. So if they ask you for which number is a prime factorization of 60, like what they did on the last past paper, and they give you the option to be, these are some of the way that they set it up. They give you like 6, and you know multiple choice, 10, and then you probably have one where say 5, and you probably have 60. So then you will choose 5 because 5 is the one, alright? So guys, I bring on to forget maximum, you know. Alright, this is a topic now. Good job guys. This is a topic where a lot of persons tend to be so afraid of, but this is what a very easy topic. So let's look at ratio. And we're going to start off very simple. You're going to find the number that is equivalent to 2 over 3. Number are numbers. If it's more than 1, you pick it, alright? Which is equivalent to 2 over 3? Guys, we are doing everything, but we're not going to do everything one time, don't it? Alright, Joshua say 2 to 3. Guys, while we are talking about English and maths, we are focused on now. I'm jealous, you know, I'm jealous. Tavai says C. John Odinson says 4 over 6. Tanya Williams says 4 over 6. Jaim Warren says C. Remember now, guys, if there's more than 1, you pick it the more than 1, alright? Yes, we're going to do decimal. We're going to do everything, but we can't do everything one time, right? It's a complete revision. Every topic we are going to do. Kevin. Oh, that girl TT. Oh, my name is Kevin. Alright, Kevin. Kimura said 22 over 33. D and C. Finally, somebody said D and C. It will be both of them, guys. We can actually eliminate these. And guys, you see, in the last part, you will get something like this. We have 2 options, alright? So what we can do, we can say, alright, if we break down this, it's going to get, if we divide by 11, we get 2 and then over 3, right? So this is equal to 2 over 3. So break down the fraction to its lowest term. This one now we divide by 2. And that's 2 over 3. So the answer would be 2 over 3. No, 4 over 6 and 22 over 11. One more, guys, one more. Remember, it's more than 1 you're looking for, if possible. So if you see more than 1, write it, alright? Alright, so I'm seeing. Let's go, let's go. Timothy Grant said 30 over 50. Joshua said B and C. I agree. B and C would be correct. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. So we can check it, guys. If we break it down, we can divide this by 10 and this by 10 is 3 over 5, right? The next one is going to be more tricky. I think I know what I'm going to do. And then for this one now, we check for 9. If you divide by 3, we get 3 over 5. So that's equivalent. This is 5 over 6, so it couldn't be that. What if you get a bigger number, guys, and the ratio is a smaller one? Could you guys figure that out? Let's see. Guys, you not share the video yet? No, nobody feeling, you know, because they never did on the live, you know. Alright, so we flip it around now, just to ensure that everybody have this pan lock. We're going to flip it around and see how it goes, alright? What's the answer for that, guys? Oh, somebody said they are from Ireland. Welcome, man, welcome. Big up Ireland, man, big up. That's Ireland, right? Oh, that's India. Type if it's Ireland or India. I know many persons follow me from India. Big up on yourself for that. Great nation. Okay, India, yeah. Big up. Yeah, man. Thanks. Appreciate the love, you know, guys. I think it's morning there. The last time someone had told me it was morning. That person had asked me to do vectors. I did a worksheet on vectors recently for my Indian brethren. Big up, guys. Big up. Somebody search out for me, please. Piyushraj. I can't pronounce it. Big up from India, man. I'm from Jamaica. Big up. Much love. Yeah, but me live, you know. Yeah, man, but it's that I'm going through, step I'm going through now. I'm going through the entire syllabus, so you can come on. On YouTube, I'm live now. Just click on my video and you see live. Or type it in a search. Alright, left a comment. Alright, guys, alright, welcome again. Let's go. One of my students that just called me, welcome. She didn't realize that I was live. Big up, man. Alright, so we're doing ratio. Welcome. Alright, so let's look at it. If we divide by 5 into, we can eliminate this one because the fact that the bigger one is at the top, it means that it could not be correct. Alright, so once you see it like this, guys, you eliminate it like right away. Don't even look at it, don't even consider it. And then now we can check if there's any number we can divide by 20 to give us 4, and the same number by 25 to give us 5, and yes, that would be 5, right? So if I divide this by 5, you would get 4 over 5. So this one checks out. Let's check for 8 over 10. 8 to, no, it's not going to work, right? But what if we double 20? Right? If we double 20, we get 40. So we multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. So this one also. Alright? So as I've said, guys, we're going to look at ratio in depth. Let's look at our next. Let's look at our next one. Jonathan Gale, big up yourself. That looks to be from Russia. I'm not sure. But anyway, love and respect. Wherever you are from, guys. Alright? I know I have a lot of following from Trinidad and Guyana. Big up on yourself. Island of the chicken curry. Try this one, guys. Let me change the marker. Alright, so Dan, John, and Peter got $200 to share in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5 respectively. How much is A, John share? B, how much more Peter got than Dan? Tiffany, big up, welcome. How would we find out each person own, guys? I haven't seen the answers yet. Let's go, let's go. Hi, Tiffany. Alright, somebody said John share is $60. How much more did Peter get than John? The John says 40, 60, 100. We say both of them are 40. A is 40 and B is 40. Let's see. Joshua says $60 and $60. Both of them is 60. While some persons are saying 40 and 40. Let's see how this one goes, guys. Let's go. Let's see. Alright, so with ratio, we can do it two ways. We can find the total ratio and divide the total ratio into the total amount. That will give us what each share is worth. So let us do it that way. Alright. So we add 2 plus 3 because we need the total and we get 10. So if we should divide 200 by 10, we get 20. So one of the share is 20. John got all of 3 shares. Some persons did not read it carefully because guess what? John is in the middle. So you have Dan, John, and Peter. So guys, you have to be careful. For the persons who said 40, you have to be careful. Alright? So John's share would be $60. And we can say that Peter's share would be 5 times 20. Since one share is 20, 5 times 20 is 100. And Dan's share would be 2 times 20, which works out to 40. So that will give us $60. So both of them share is $60. Can we take another one, guys? Share it, guys. Share it to the teacher. Alright, send this the link to your teacher so he or she can send it out to other people. Alright? Not many people are doing the revision, but Mr. Bennett is doing, and I want every student to benefit. Alright? Let's go, let's go. You guys are the future, you know. This one is much easier because I want everyone to get your principle. So share. Oh guys, make sure you write it down guys, alright? Because it's 2 hours. I don't have all the time to make it stay on the board forever. So ensure, say, you write it down. So when the solution time, you're just making the adjustments, alright? Let's go, let's go. Alright, Joshua Oil says 200 to 300. We have, I upload social studies 3 hours ago, you know, guys. Social studies is there. So you can look up that video after we finish. Very good, Joshua. Miller says the second share. That is also correct. Well done, well done. Alright guys, so I deliberately do it for 2. So for the persons who don't fully understand it, they can get it now. Alright? Let's go guys, let's go. So what it is, we can add the total ratios. Add both of them, forget the total, that's 5. So it's 5 shares in all. And we have a total of $500. So what we can do is divide it by 5. So as Joshua says, 1 share is $100. So we get that 500 divided by 5 give us 100. Alright? Let me try black marker, guys. Black powerful, you know. So the first person share is 2. So you multiply 2 by 100. So that person's share is $200. And something that I did mention earlier, guys, when we add the total ratio, it must come back to the amount of money that was shared. So if we add this, we're supposed to get back the $500. Because remember, that's how we do ratio. So are you guys feeling confident about the ratio now? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I believe in you guys. Let's go. Alright. A very critical. Alright, Timothy. Alright. Life of Mini. Say yes, sir. Alright. Big up, guys. Big up. Guys, you send it to the teacher already? Can we clear this now? So guys, you know, so I touch on it. So we're going to look at fractions, which is addition, subtraction, division, and takeaway. We'll look at all 4. So get ready to do some fractions, alright? We're going to look at algebra, stem and leaf, everything, guys, everything, everything. Angles, everything. Anything when them I bring tomorrow, we are do it from today. That's how you approach exams, you know. Any possible thing when them I bring, we're ready for it. And I'm joking, you know, I'm joking. So try these guys and let me see what's happening with you guys, and then so we have an addition and then a subtraction. So just have the addition as A. So just if I put the A, put A and then so, alright? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go. For those of you who are not in my class, I will be teaching you when you go to high school. So work out these guys. And notice I'm not just working on the content, I'm working on your speed also, alright? Alright, Jaim. Well done, well done. Miller says 8 and 13 over 15. Suzette Dunbar, 8 and 13 over 15. I'm seeing that. Joshua says 8 and 13 over 15. Alright, what about B now? I like the vibes, you know, guys. I like the vibes. And them things make Mr. Bennett happy, you know, when students are learning. Alright, Nicole, I'm close to 8 and 13 over 5. So you guys can add, man. You can add better than some of my high school students. No disrespect to them, that's the reality. Kaiv, that girl TT is Kaiv. Yumi K. Oh, Tori, what's up, Tori? Yumi K. Zoom Mass, 8 and 3. Alright, work out the next one, guys. Work out the next one. And guys, remember to send it to your teacher so they can send it to the other kids, alright? Alright, so for the second one, I'm seeing 9 over 20. I'm seeing 1 and 11 over 20. So this one is a bit tricky. Paulette Brown says 9 over 20. 9 over 20 seems to be a popular. Joshua says 9 over 15. Tanya says 1 and 1 over 20. The person that wants to say 1 and 1 over 20, I have sad news for you. It's not quite correct. That girl TT got 9 over 15. Melissa, guys, the chat is so fast that I can't keep up. But good, thank you guys so much. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so everybody got this one correct based on what I'm seeing. So two ways we can do it. I'm going to do it the way that we just add 5 and 3. We get 8. And then we add 2/3 plus 1/5. It's much easier. Find the LCM. Once you're adding and subtracting, we must find the LCM. So the LCM would be 15. If I'm not sure to find the LCM, this is how we do it. 3. We keep adding 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I will do the same thing for 5, 5, 10, 15. The first number that comes, that's the LCM. Alright? So 3 into 15 goes 5 times. So we multiply by 5. 2, 5, 10. 5 into 15, 3 times. So we multiply 1 times 3, which gives us 13 over 15. But remember, we add an 8 whole, so it's 8 and 13 over 15. This is the error that some persons make now. Because 3/4 is bigger than 1/5, if you don't multiply, you're going to find yourself in problem. So if you say 6 minus 5 is 1, and then you try to subtract 1/5 minus 3/4, you're going to have a little bit of problem. So what the alternate root, we have to multiply. So we multiply, we convert it, 6, 5, 30, plus 1, 31 over 5, minus 5 times 4 at the numerator. So we 5 4 is 20, that gives us 23 over 4. So remember, once you're adding and subtracting, they must be the same denominator. So let us do the LCM to make the denominator the same. And I'll just show you how to find it. You keep adding. And you do the same thing. 5, 10, 15, 20. Clearly we can see it's 20, so we choose 20, alright? 5 into 20, that goes 4 times. So we multiply 31 by 4. 4 ones 4, 4 threes 12. So that's 124. Minus 4 into 20, that goes 5 times. Now we're going to multiply 23 by 5. Bear with me. 5 3 is 15, 5 carry 1, 5 2 is 10, and 1 11. So what is 124 minus 115? So 1, we need 5 more to make 20. So that will be 9 over 20. I'm getting 9 over 20, guys. You add 5 to this, we are at 120. 5 plus 4, 9. So that's 9 over 20. And that will be our answer. Alright? One more set of the addition and subtraction, and then we move on to the multiplication and division. So one more set, guys. Let's go, let's go. You guys did excellent on the addition. So let's see if you can reproduce that, alright? So 2 and 2/3 plus 3 and 3/4. Guys, you share the video yet, share it, man. I want others to come on, alright? Want them bright like me, And we do one more subtraction, and then we go on to multiplication and division. What does the rule state when we are multiplying? A lot of high school students are struggling with that. So let us see if we can fix that, alright? And for the next one, 3 and 4/5. Let's go, let's go. 6 1/4. Alright. Guys, now watch Joshua. He's super fast. Well done, Joshua. No, man, this is not C-sec, maths. This is not C-sec. Well, yeah. Both fraction is a part of C-sec and both of them. Alright, bridging from India. Big up yourself, man. Alright. Mickey Mouse said 2 and 2/3. Paulette Brown 6 and 5/12. Glendon Wilson. A be different answer, me see, guys. Yeah, man, a pep this, guys, a pep. Fraction is a part of your syllabus. You guys don't do fraction in class. Algebra is also a part of it. Alright? Stem and leaf. That is a part of it also. KK. Melissa Cameron. Alright, Joshua said 1 and 7/10. Lightning got a new to the channel. Welcome. Alright, which country is that, Shakes? Russia? Jello Russia? Big up, big up. Yeah, man, it's Pep, guys. It's Pep. Alright. Melissa Edwards said 9/20. Guys, put the letter beside it, alright? Yeah, man, C-sec and PEP is the same thing, you know. You don't know it's a PEP other than C-sec. You guys don't know that. C-sec students struggle with PEP questions, guys, if you never know. So you can stay on and do the practice, man. This applies to C-sec too, alright? PEP is one of the toughest exam in the nation. That is why PEP classes are 2 hours. My C-sec is 1. Alright? I have to spend time with my future student. Okay, it's Russia. Alright, big up from Russia, alright? Big up, man, big up. Alright, let's go through it, guys, because remember we have to look at the multiplication, we have to look at the algebra. Something that I didn't look at is, we have to look at percentage. So we have a lot of stuff to do, so let's go. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to add 2 and 3, which is the whole. So we have 2 whole plus 3 whole, give me 5 wholes. And then I'm going to add 2/3 plus 3/4. So we must find our LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. And then we say 3 into 12, that goes 4 times. How many groups? So you get 4 out of it. So 2 4 is 8. 4 into 12, 3. So we multiply 3 by 3, which gives us 9. Now that all of them is the same denominator, because this is the same as 8/12 plus 9/12. Alright? So that will give us 17, 8 and 9, 17/12. So let me just rub out this. So we have 17/12. However, we have to convert, this is called an improper, so we have to convert it to mix. So we're going to say how many groups of 12 we can get out of that, which is 1. 17 minus 12, that is 5/12. But remember, we add 5 wholes. So if we add the 5 wholes and the 1, that is going to give us 6 wholes and 5/12. Let me just check back the chat and see if persons have given me. Oh, you guys got 7. 8 and 9, 17, 12 into that 1. Yeah, 17 minus 12, that's 5. It's correct. Alright, Lightning God, you can follow me, man. I'm on TikTok also. Oh, if you don't know me long time, man. Yeah, I saw you got some time. Let's see about this one, guys. 5.5 minus 3 and 4/5. So again, I'm going to do the conversion. So I change it from mixed numbers to improper. To do that, we multiply 5 times 2, which is 10 plus 1, 11 over 2 minus 3, 5, 15 plus 4. So 15 plus 4, that's 19 over 5. Remember, once you're adding and subtracting, we must find the LCM. If it don't have the same denominator, it must, alright? So I'll show you guys how to find it. We keep adding. Remember now, guys, you see multiplication is just adding up. So 5 and 5, 10, see it? First number that comes in both would be 10. And then we say 2 into 10 goes 5 times. 5 times 11, 55. Remember it's minus. 5 into 10 goes 2 times. 2 times that should give us 38. So we basically need 2 more to make 40, right? So that's 2. So we had 40 and we need another 15. So that's 17 over 10. I remember Joshua had 1 and 7 over 10. Let me see if anybody else got it. I know that was the first answer I saw. I'm seeing Timothy says 7 over 10. Andrew says 17 over 10. That's correct. Carry on. 17, 1 and 7 over 10. Somebody said them are going to give up. No, you can't give up. That's why Mr. Bennett there. So you can't give up, guys. Come on, let's go. Can't give up. None of that. None of that. Alright, Dejan. None of that. No giving up. Ensure you have it in your book so you can look over. Alright? And you can watch back the video tomorrow. That's why I chose YouTube instead of TikTok. Because guess what? You can watch it tomorrow. Alright? Wake up in the morning and just go and preach and go to school. I'll speed it up too. Alright? So guys, thank you guys so much for coming out. The more people I see, the more energy I have, you know. That's how Mr. Bennett works. Alright? Alright, let's look at the multiplication ones now. Let's see how well you guys do with the multiplication and the division. We're going to do 2 of each. Let's go. And then we can move on. Alright? And remember guys, mean, mode, all of those are part of your syllabus. So we're going to look at statistics. And guys, please tell me you guys did analysis of graphs in your class. Because I'm unable to do it on this, but you should know how to read a bar graph, pie chart, read time, clock, everything, conversion, all of that. And if you're in grade 5 or so, and you want to be awesome next year, join my class, guys. People are signed up already, class soon full. Alright? So just try I'm going to try to have as many as possible. So try these 2 first, and then we move on to some more. The same thing. Alright, Joshua said 1 and 1 over 5. Sean said the same thing. Timothy said the same thing. Tanya said the same thing. Rashawn. Alright, somebody said he remember when he used to walk over them. But not in C. Not in C. Alright. Nathan said that. Lightning said that. Tavoy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Eight over 15. Alright. So guys, we reached the hour mark. Yeah man, well done guys. We reached the hour mark. Let's go, let's go. We have to continue, alright? Alright, one more minute guys and then we go through the solution. Alright, that girl said, can someone explain? I think she said her name was Kevin. Timothy Stanley said 1 and 1 over 15. I'm gonna go through it. Ensure you have it, alright? Alright, Lightning God said he's understanding so much more. And this is a very good time to be understanding. This is a very good time to be understanding. So that is just awesome. Touch more second guys. Right, let's go. So when we are multiplying, the rules state that we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But we need to convert this because this is a mixed fraction. So we're going to convert to improper and then we can deal with the business proper. So right back 2/3. Let's convert. We have done this with addition 155 plus 4. So we say 1 times 5 plus 5 plus 4, which gives us 9 over 5. And we times it, alright? We can cancel, you know, but I prefer at the PEP level that you multiply across. So what it is, we multiply 2 times 9. The cross out sometimes can make a mistake. So 2 times 9, that gives us 18. And 3 times 5, 15. Alright? And then now, we can say, alright, how many groups of 15 we can get out of that? Which is 1 and 3 over 15. We can further break it down, right? We can further break it down. 3 into that 1, 3 into that 5. So it's 1 and 1 over 5 for this one. Alright, let's look at the division one now, guys. Remember now, guys, 2 9s 18. 3, 5, 15. So it's 18 over 15. And then you can break down that. Alright? Let's look at this one now. Division is different from multiplication in the sense that when we are dividing, we write back the first fraction. So the first one is on the left. So it's 2/5 divided by 3/4. The rule state we change, write back the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, but we have to flip the fraction. So notice we have 3 over 4, it becomes 4 over 3. So you flip the fraction. And then now you treat it just like when we were multiplying. So 2 times 4 and 5 times 3. Which 2 4s 8 and 5 times 3, 15. So yeah, that's how you got the 8 over 15. Well done, well done. Let's see if we can do another one. Keep chain flip. Alright. Big up W, Shantidi. You play Roblox? I will ask about Roblox in that. Guys, I'm maths time now. What kind of Roblox you talk about? I'm maths time, man. Alright? Gabriel Brown, what's up? What's up? How are you? Georgina. Yeah, man. Let's do our next round, guys. So this is the first round. You guys did well on it. Let's see if you are able to do it. No. The division is going to be a bit more complex. One secondary principle, you shouldn't have any problem at all, right? Let's go. I see 4.5 from Joshua, Nathania. Alright, somebody asked if we can do conversion of fraction to improper. We're actually doing it now. But if you want, we can take a little 5 minutes and go through it. But we're actually doing it now. Alright? Alright. Let's see, look at the decimal, guys. You know I rush this up, you know. We have 1 hour to go through everything, alright? Alright, let's go through this. Tomorrow morning you can wake up at 6 and watch it till 8. You can just speed up the camera, alright? So we have 1 times 5. We're going to convert 155 and that 9 over 5 multiplied by 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 over 2 9 times 5 45 and 5 times 2 10. So now we can say how many groups of 10 we can get out of that, which is 4. Because 4 tens is 40. Remainder 5 over 10. Or we can break down 5 over 10 to a half. Since 5 can go into 10, alright? Now let's look at this one. I remember seeing 4.5 a lot. This one now we convert again. 2 3 6 plus 1 7 over 3. But we divide first, guys. 1 times 4, that's 4 plus 1 5 over 4. But remember what the rule states when we're dividing, right? We write back the first fraction, which is 7 over 3, the one on the left, times, but then we reciprocate. So 5 over 4 become 4 over 5. And now we can multiply 7 times 4 upon 3, 5, which gives us 28 upon 15. So that goes one time, and you want 2 more, so that's 13 over 15. So that's our answer. Alright? In a jiffy, guys, can you add algebra? Not algebra, can you add decimals? Can you subtract them? Let's go. A lot of person asking, by right, I wanted to do percentage, but somebody keep putting decimal. So we could just shell down decimal and then we go back to percentage, alright? There's nothing to fear. Try that one, guys. Add 125.35, 20.8, and 1.9. Let's see how much you got for that. Over here, multiply 25.32 by 6.5. Let's go. The person that requesting fraction decimal so much. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. One more minute, guys. Let's go. 148.05, 164.58, 164.38. Alright guys, what does the rule state when we're dividing? We're adding. Decimal point should be under decimal point. Alright? So what we do, we look for the bigger number now, which is biggest value. You don't necessarily have to do it this way, but it's kind of safer. And then you line up the decimal point. So you have 20.8, so put decimal point first. That's how I encourage my students to do it. Then you put in the rest. Like for this now, we can put a 0 to hold the space so you don't get confused. And remember, units under units. Alright? And then we do the same thing, put the point here. And we have 190. And there we go. Let's add. Add from this side, go to this side, so right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 5, that's 5. We also put the numbers on the numbers so I don't get confused. Alright? 3 and 8, 11, plus 9, 20. So 2 carry 0. Put back our decimal point. Must line up like a arrow. 1 plus 5, that's 6, and that 8. 2 and 2, 4. So that's 148. You guys are correct. You guys are awesome. Well done, guys. Well done. Alright. For this one now, what I'm going to be doing is to ignore the decimal point at first. So first I count how many decimal places. So I know that I must have 3 decimal places. So let me just multiply now. For your prep exam, you're required to multiply by up to 3-digit number. CSEC not so, but you guys are required. Alright? So I have 2532. So at first, I ignore the decimal point as if it's not even there. Alright? And then I multiply by 65. So we multiply normal, and then when we finish, we put him at the decimal point. But I count the total number of decimal places, so I know how many I should have. Alright? So we have 5 2 is 10, so that's 1 carry 0. 5 3 is 15 plus 1, 16. 5 times 5, that's 25 plus 1, 26. And the final one, 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Alright. Now I'm going to be multiplying by 60. But I have to put a 0 to hold the space to show that I'm not dividing by 6. So we put a space holder, which is 0, and then now I'm going to multiply. So 6 2s, 12, 2 carry 1, 6 3s 18 plus 1, 19, 9 carry 1, 6 5 30, 30 plus 1, 31. And for the final part, 6 2s 12, and 3. Well done, guys. So 6 2s 12 plus 3, 15. 5 carry 1. So we're going to add now. So we have 0, 2, 9 and 6, 15. 5 carry 1. 2 and 1, 3, that's 4, 6, 1. But remember, we're supposed to have 3 decimal places. So let's go. We start from here. 1, 2, 3. So that's 164.520. How many persons got that? Let me make a little check. So it's 164. Oh, we want to end 9 o'clock, guys. But we want to cover as much as possible. Well done. Good job. I know you guys made a little error on some of them, but overall, I'm talking overall. Good job. Alright? Guys, remember if you like the video, so YouTube can push it out to a YouTube probably has a struggle, you know. Now, let me draw a little table first, guys. I did this with my students yesterday. Alright, I'm giving you 1 more minute to take off that. Alright, just in case somebody make an error, make the adjustment. Alright, fraction I got the here. So. Alright, so what it is, guys, you're gonna put in the missing. Sure. Hello. Which one? Oh, yeah. As I thought, me see 6 plus 2, 8. Yeah, thanks. So, guys, there's an adjustment because 6 and 2 are 8, right? Not. I don't know why I got 2 here, so. But it should have been 8 because 6 plus 2, 8. A parent just called me. Alright, let's go, guys. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna put what A is in terms of as a decimal, B as a percentage. Alright? And we're gonna continue like that. Yeah, you, Mickey. Somebody had called. I saw it. And she called, actually look at it and say, oh my god. What an error. Hello? Yeah, man, we made the adjustment. You come on 5 live? Yeah, but you know if you come on. Why you come on? Alright. Hey guys, this was a genuine error. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 and 9, 15, 5 kilowatt. Yeah, man. Alright. And this as 6. Alright. So what it is, guys, you're going to put the value of each one of them. Alright. So, A, B, C, you put what the value of A would be. For this one, you put that. You put the fraction, put the percentage. Alright? I'm going to put the percentage here. And then see how well you guys. So this is 2%. Let's go. And then now we're going to find C, E, and F. So it's a nice way to do, to bring out all concepts at once. Thanks, guys. Thanks. But I don't see any letters, guys. Put the letters there. Because remember, there's more than one, so I'm not going to be sure which one you're talking. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, guys. The percent equal 35 over 100. Alright, let's go through it. Yeah, guys, let's make the adjustment for this one. 6 plus 2. I don't know where I got 2 from. It was supposed to be 8. And so the final answer would have been 164.580. Alright? So let's go. So let me just spread out this more so persons can see. So this is the fraction. So we're going to be doing the conversion. There's more than one way to look at it. But let's look at A. A is supposed to be a decimal. So what we do, we're going to be dividing 3 by 5 to convert from fraction to decimal, right? So that gives us 5 into 3. You can't, so you put 0. Could have did that way when you used to. 5 into 3 you can't. 5 into 30, 6. 5, 6, 30. So that's 6. So A is equal to 0.6. 0. So 0.6 would be the same as 60%. Let me change our marker here. Alright, so we finished 2 already, guys. So A is 0.6 and B is 60%. Alright, so we get 0.15. 0.15 is the same as 15 over 100, right? So you say 1, 2, so it's 100. So it's 15 over 100 as a fraction. But we can break it down to its lowest term. So 5 can go into it at 3 times. 5 into 100, 20. So as a fraction, that would be 3 over 20. And as a percentage, it should have been 15%. Alright. What about E? What would be the value of E? Did somebody type that in? What would be the value of E? 6 over 100. 0.02 as a decimal. Very good. God, you answer that. What's 30% of 300? Somebody answer that for you. Alright. So 2% now. As a fraction, we know it's going to be 2 over 100. And we can break it down. So that's 1 over 150. So F is 1 over 50. Alright. What about as a decimal? Right? So we know that the decimal is going to be 2 over 100. So it's 1. Put an next that 2. So it would be 0.02. Alright? So good job, guys. Good job. Guys, I can't take no video call now. Alright. So it would be... Just text me, guys. I can't take the video call. Alright. So guys, let's look up, move on to... Or somebody say, no, do no more maths. Come on, guys, you can rest and then tomorrow you go back at it again, alright? I'm a VP. I be. Me say no, tomorrow is prep exam, miss, so I'm putting in the work for the young ones, you know? Putting in the work for them, man, because they are the ones, they are the future. Oh, Mika, I can't video call you now. How am I going to be live on video call? Alright, good job, guys. So far, so good, alright? So this is one of the things that they brought one of the year. We have to convert from decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal. Alright? Everyone should know how to do that. Alright, let's move on to algebra, guys. Algebra is not hard for you guys. I think it's more challenging at the C-Sec level. So somebody can type in the comment section, what is algebra? Oh, sorry to say, guys, we did ratio already. You're damn with the ratio already. So what you can do is just watch back the playback. We a 1.5 hour day already, you know. So we're not gonna repeat, but you can always go back. Alright. So algebra is just letters representing numbers. Alright? So it's just letters representing numbers. That's all it is. So if you're unknown, it can be letters or symbols. Most letters, alright? So let's say we have a plus 5 is equal to 8. What they want us to say, a represents a number, such that when you add 5 to the number, you get 8. So which number, when you add 5 to it, you get 8? Type that in the comment section. Alright, Duvier argues a 3. Sheldon said 3. Yeah. Alright. Yes, Joshua. So what it is, we need to show working though. So what we say, we take the inverse of plus 5, which is minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. And then we check. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. And this is the definition of an equation. So equation is just another topic under algebra. Alright? It can get more complex. Let's say we have x minus 9 equal 12. What would be the value of x? If x is such a number, we subtract 9 from the number and it gives us 12. What is the value of x? Alright, Tavoy says 21. Somebody says 18. Joyce says 18. Joyce Lee. Gabriel Brown says 3, x equal 21. KK Garden said no more I'm doing any more maths, I'm done. But try to learn something, man. We soon finish at 9, because I'm not going to keep you guys more than that. So we take the opposite of 9 minus 9, which is plus 9. So we add 9 to both sides. What you do, guys, anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. So this gives us 21. And think about it. If we have 21 minus 9, would that give us 12? Yes. So 12 is equal to 12. That means it's correct. That's the definition of an equation. Let us make it get a little bit more complex. Guys, I know you're tired. I am tired too, but guess what? We have to do what we have to do, alright? I said from 7 to 9, and I'm going to do it. Let's go. Try this one now, guys. What will be the value of x if 2x minus 3 is equal to 11? Yes, Michelle Webster. Well done. Alright, me see BS7, LA Lewis there. BS7 Missy guys, LA Lewis there, man. LA Lewis there. Yeah, that is correct. Alright. So what it is, we need to take the inverse of minus 3, which is to plus 3. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So that gives us 14. And then this is saying 2 multiplied by a number, it gives us 14. So we divide by 2. Anything we do to one side, we do to both sides. So x is equal to 7. So that will be our answer. Good job, guys. Good job. One more, one more. I should make you write some expressions, but oh Lord. Try that one, guys. Rhodia and Brooks, I remember you. You're a head girl for a school. What's up? Somebody say they want quiz. Go on YouTube. I'm there. I'm there. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. You're a deputy head girl. I'll be a bright people there, man. Okay, you're a classmate. All right. Big up, big up. Happy to have everyone from the same school. Awesome, awesome. All right. That is correct, guys. Alright, persons are texting me so they need help with social studies, but I'm maths time now, guys. So we have minus 5, so we plus 5. Oh, it's the same 7. So it comes to 21, and then we divide by 3. Let's see if you guys can solve this one now. Four y minus 2 is equal to 30. So guys, after this, we're going to look at the stem and leaf, and we're just going to tie in the stem and leaf with the statistics. Joshua said 8. Somebody said 13. Jaim Warren, y equal 8. Yumi says 7. Somebody said, bro, stop with the 7 now. Yeah. Guys, it's not easy, Somebody said, stop with the 7 now. Alright. So this is guys, the man says, yo. Oh boy. Kids are amazing. Alright, somebody said EZ. Najee, oh, you get 7. Alright, I think I know what happened. You didn't take the inverse. So remember, you take the inverse of minus 2, which is plus 2. Anything you do to one side. So instead of getting 28, you should have added and get 32. So we divide by 4. Oh my God. And then that will give us 8. And we can check it. 4 times 8 minus 2. 4, 4, 16 minus, Lord Jesus. Now 8 for there, someone. 4, 8, 32. Minus 2, which is equal to 30. Guys, as me I type that, me just figure something. We didn't do order of operations. You guys try this one. Oh my word. I have it on the list, but I didn't touch it. This must come on your paper. It wouldn't be an exam if this not come. How can I forget that? Start off easy, guys. Let's go. Let's go. That's the answer. Put A, guys. Put A equal and B equal, alright? Don't just leave it like that. And put B equal, alright? And then for this one, C equal. Alright, so try these three. Put the letter, guys. Put the letter, alright? Let's go, let's go. Somebody say B equal 1. B equal 25. A equal 21. Bogle, every minute I say you're finished. What do you mean you're finished? Bogle, it's just a few minutes to go to 9. Let's go, man. Let's go. You get your rest, man. Let's go. Learn something new every day. That's what I try to do as a math teacher. Oh man, I'm saying I'm live now. Thanks for saying I have great videos. I really appreciate it. But I'm saying I'm live now. You can come on now. We're doing maths from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So we have 22 minutes left. Alright, so let's go, guys. Let's go. This is basically called order of operations. Order of operations. So the order matters. So guys, you have 22 minutes. I will go through other topics different from this, alright? Alright. Big up Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, let's go through them, guys. So we have to multiply first. Some persons got 21. 21 would have been incorrect. Thank God for Mr. Bennett, alright? Yeah, you don't have to go and make that mistake. We must do multiplication first, division, addition, subtraction. There's a condition also. When we are dividing on the left, it comes on the left first, we do that. Alright? So we multiply first. So 5 3 is 15 plus 2, which is 17. So it's not 21. And for 2, we divide on the left first. Because division comes on the left. Yeah, man. Bomb das. It's the same thing. Yeah. Alright. So because that, we divide by this first. So 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. A number of persons got this correct, which is 25. This one now can be a bit tricky. Based on the order, we have to do right here. So first, so we say 12 times 2, 24. This can't, no matter what it is, I think I would have gotten the same answer. And then we divide before we add. So we divide 24 by 2, which is 12. And then we add this. So this gives us 17 also. Alright? Let's go, guys. Let's go. And you guys can watch the playback tomorrow, alright? And shell down that. Shell it down, guys. Shell it down. And then we celebrate. Your success is my success. So we have stem and leaf. So this is our stem. And this is our leaf. I'm going to kind of keep it simple. So if somebody just do it for the very first time, then can actually get it, alright? So Mr. Benny stay now. So some persons were saying they do stem and leaf. Somebody say bombastic. Yo, you guys, yo, a serious time, you guys. A TikTok could have meant. Alright, guys, this is what I want you guys to do for me. Type out the word mode, put the number which is the mode from this, give me the range, and if possible, give me the median. I'm not going to stress you with the mean, but give me those information. Damn say emotional damage. Alright. What's the range? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Somebody said the range? It's 24. Alright, what about the median? Yeah man, big up, big up. And you can join my lower school class too, you know. You don't have to wait until you reach. Because I have class for grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11. Alright. So somebody said it, already answered the median at 3.5. What is 7 though? I don't think any of them is really 7 or 8. Alright, let's go through it, guys. Now the mode, I use this to just kill statistics and stem and leaf all in one. So the mode is the number that occurs the most, alright? So the number that occurs the most is the one that would appear, which number appear in a particular row that number of times. Because this 8 is 0, 8, 0, 9. So this is 8 and this is 9. 0, this is 1, 0, so it's 10. So they don't repeat this 10 part, but it's 10. So this is 10, 1, 1, this is 11, this is 12, because I put the 1 there, right? 23, 24, 25, 25, 25. So clearly, we can see that in this row, we have the number occurring 3 times. So the mode would be 25. Very good. The range now is the one with the highest value. So what we do, we look on the very last one, and that would give us 3, 2. So that's 32. So it's stem and then the leaf. Minus the first one, which is 0, 8. And that should give us 24. You guys are awesome. You guys got that correct. Let's look at the median now. So to find the median, first we can count how many numbers there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have an even number. So we know say 2 numbers are going to end up falling in the middle. What I normally suggest to my students, you can do it like this. So we do it from top and then back. So you cross off 2, 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 cross off 2. So what we're left with 3 and 4. So for the median, and I see somebody put 3.5. So it's 3 plus 4 is the average of the 2 numbers in the middle, which is 7 divided by 2 or 3.5. See, can you both see? Sit here and guys can talk to you guys. Sit here and guys. Pep, hello? Hey, good day. Yeah, I'm on YouTube live now doing What's up? Yeah. Alright, tell you what. Screenshot it, text me what you think is the answer, and then I can look at it. But I'm live now. Yeah, but just text me what you think is the answer. Alright? Yeah, thanks. Alright, somebody said them in bed half week. Guys, it's just 10 more minutes to go, alright? So let's look at another stem and leaf. Yeah man, I did fraction. I did percentage already, Rodin. We did all of those, guys. All of those. We look at number theory too, ratio, everything, decimal. You guys are late to the party. Alright. Probably we shouldn't do no more stem and leaf. I could look at some angles. Angles in a triangle. I could look at that. You guys know the properties? I could look at the different types of triangles, guys. I think that will be better. Because I think you guys master that one already. So a triangle, tree, right? Try. So if you guys follow my TikTok, you'd have seen me post videos like this, looking like this. Alright? So that means the lengths are different. I want somebody to tell me what type of triangle is this? And what's unique about the angles? Alright, somebody say all triangles sum up to 180 degrees. Very good. Alright? So all triangles, it doesn't matter what type of triangle. This one, guys, we're going to call this one A. Type in what type of triangle this is, B and C and D. So just type in those four and then we can proceed. And then I'll tell you about the angles, alright? We still have 10 more minutes, guys. We still have 10 more. Guys, the persons that are asking about certain things, just go back. Very good. Right angle. What we know about a right angle triangle? One angle is equal to 90 degrees. Alright? What name is given to this one? The two sides are equal. Also, the two angles are equal. What name is given to that special triangle? Alright, so I see Natayan, you got it correct. It's an Tevai also, Vickers, Serene, got it correct. Very good. So it's an isosceles triangle. So this one would be an isosceles. Alright, what about this one? The three sides are equal and the three angles are equal. What name is given to a triangle with all three sides equal, all three angles equal? Tavoid, not a scalene, equilateral, that is it. BPG is not a scalene, it's an equilateral. And think about the word equal when you say equilateral. So the sides are equal and also the angles. I spell good enough. Equilateral. R-A-L. So it's an equilateral triangle. All angles are equal. And the final one is scalene. What's unique about a scalene? No side is equal and no two angles equal. Alright? Let us talk about the angles now. So all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So let us say this was 50 degrees. what would be the value of this one? Let's call this A. And if this one is 100, what would be the value of B? So guys, just type in A equal, B equal. This one is going to be C. And then this one, no. This one can be a bit tricky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put D, but I'm going to put some more. So I'm going to put 70. So try these guys, and then I will discuss them. Alright, A equal 40. That is how I want to see it, Serene. Alright? Very good. A is not 110, not 110 at all. Remember, the right angle is 90 degrees. All three angles must add up to 180 degrees. Hey, good day, good day. You know, I just do that to help kids. I'm not really that teacher. I'm really a math teacher. I'm live now. So it's really maths I teach. I don't teach that particular subject. I just need to help all you guys. Oh, I understand now. I understand now. All right, all right. All right, D equal 30. I'm seeing D equal 30. Let's see if it's correct. D equal 40, D equal 30. All right, well done, guys. Well done, well done. Maybe if you join the maths class, man. How you say? All right, let's go through it, guys. So somebody said B of 40. Let's see. So we know that everything must add up to 180. So this is already 90. So this plus this must give us 90. So A plus 50 give us 90. And then we subtract. So A is equal to 40 degrees. Very good. That's correct. So A is 40. Let's check for B now. We know that it's 180 degrees minus 100, which gives us 80. 80 is what must split evenly for these two. Alright? So we need 80 more, but each angles are equal, so we divide it by 2. So that is also 40 degrees. So B is also 40. And for C, I didn't see you guys type in the answer for C, man. Oh, yeah, 60. Very good. Alright, so all of it add up to 180. So we say 180, but all three angles have the same value. So we divide by 3, we get 60 degrees. And for the final one, we have everything must add up to 180 degrees. So what we do, we can say, okay, 180. We have 4 more minutes, guys. 180 minus, we add this, 7 and this give us 150. So we need 30 more degrees to make it be that. Alright. So D is equal to 30. Alright, guys, I promise I won't take you guys past 11 o'clock. You guys need to get some rest and all of that. Alright, all the very best. I will teach some of you in high school. If you are not yet a part of my class, majority of my students came on today. So, looking forward to seeing you guys doing your very best. Guys, just be calm, relax, do your thing, think critically, don't rush your answer, read carefully. You would have seen me do a number of past paper. Pop God say, oh, sorry, they horror. Yeah, big up. That is some splashy. We do, guys, let's go back on my channel and you can look on volume, total surface area, and all of this. Alright? So, volume at 3 dimension. You can check out them there. Alright, Rodin, big up. Somebody say best class. Alright, thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. I don't want to keep you guys too late, guys, because what can happen, you can go in the exam and you can be very tired, and I don't want that. When you say KK come on the live to embarrass you, no man, nobody's embarrassed. We are family here. Chances are some of you will go to the same high school. Some of you are going to end up at Campion, Immaculate, Arden, Glenmuir, Manchester High. All of you probably end up at the same school. So when you go to school, ask the students in your school if them did the Mr. Bennett live. Just ask them. And them are going to say, yeah man, me the on it. And they say, oh, you that? Alright. So guys, take care. You know me are root for you guys. All the very best. Much love and respect. Thanks for everyone who come spend the 2 hours. Ready and I come late to them, you don't know what go on. I guess you'll probably study or something, but big up guys. Thank you guys so much for the support and the love and everything. Give me an energy. Buy life of mini. Yeah man, big up guys. Yo, enough people there, you know guys. It think that's a run fast. Yeah man. Oh, I teach at St. Mary's College, but I teach the whole of Jamaica, the whole Caribbean. Oh, you're going New York. Alright, big up man, big up. Anyway, then I can teach you. I teach people from New York, I teach people from Miami, from Canada, Cayman. Everywhere I teach people. Yeah man, online, you know guys, so you know it says Zoom. So I basically teach at St. Mary's College. My vice principal was on. She said good job. She always support me guys. Alright, Miss Pusey. Yeah man. I was gonna give up my channel one at a time, but because them time the guys nobody never used to watch me. One video get 1 like for day. Then it got to 3. Guess which 3? Me, my son, and somebody else, Miss Pusey. So she made me never gave up because only 3 persons used to watch my video. Me used to upload 3 videos per day. And only 3 views me get. 9 views for the entire day. Alright? And a student say me do my channel because I can explain good. And those kids refuse to watch. But look at us now. Yeah man, 1 million. That's for sure. It's gonna reach there man. Adios guys. So go and read over some social studies. You can watch back this night morning too. Alright guys. And remember you can send it to a friend because we're not selfish. Knowledge is something we have to share, alright? Alright, see there? 108 the it. And sometimes when YouTube shows 108, sometimes I like 1000. So it's more than that. Alright, bye. Yeah man, you can watch back the video and you can keep on watching man. Thanks to everybody, parents, everybody. Tyra Brown, big up. That's one of my motor students me have. Big up guys, much love. Mitzi Brown, take care. Khalil, Google, everybody, one love. I can't wait to celebrate with you guys because I know you guys is going to do awesome. So yeah. Do the social studies first and make the maths in the morning, man. Alright? It will stick. But just relax, guys. Don't bother stress it out. Just relax. Alright? Bye. Thanks for always watching. Charmaine, Aaron. Thanks. Yeah, Rodin, I know you'll do your best. You're an awesome student. I know that. Awesome. Yes, Rodin. God bless everyone. Bye, Khalil. Bogle. Big up. Damn. I'm going to miss you guys in class. But you know, grade 7 there for you, don't? Yeah. Alright, guys. Take care. Lewinson. Wow, go on. Long time I don't see Mahani Lewinson in class. Man from Old big up yourself. Hope you pass with the school of your choice. Much love, bro. Much love. Yeah. Life of Mini. Thanks, Mini. Yeah, man, you're gonna miss primary school, but guess what? You're gonna be moving. You're gonna be progressing with the age and thing. All right. Big up Timothy Grant. Ready and big up. All right. Yum. BRFG. Yeah, man, you can join in grade 7, guys. I have grade 7 class, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. I know it's A plus students may produce. Doesn't matter what level. From grade 4, come right up at A plus. Yeah. So you guys can join, man. Definitely. And I will continue to work and make you guys can get straight A's in CSEC. So guys, I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.